Good evening. Welcome to Quantum Yoga Integrated. This is Fit by Taybond, and this evening I would like to talk about the shift that's taking place on our planet. There is a shift that is taking place on our planet. Yes, right now the world is shifting. And the shift is coming from things being unveiled. Yes. And when things are being unveiled, yes, there is so much uncertainty right now. However, we are all waking up to things that have been hidden. However, this shift, it's literally a new revolution. Because we are all waking up at the same time. Everything is being unveiled all at the same time. I mean, literally. So, what do? The first thing we do is we remember who we are, that which is love. And this is an opportunity to regulate. Even though there is so much going on right now, there is a much needed time for us to regulate ourselves and not get too, lost in everything that's going on. And to step out of it and realize, wait a minute, something deeper is going on. And that is, it's a good thing for things to become unveiled. And out of that, we can heal. What's important is for us to remember who we are. Literally, when I say that, why? Because it is easy to just go into fear mode. And when you go into fear mode, it's hard to focus and to think rationally when you're in fear mode. And we don't want that. We don't want to go into fear mode. See it as an opportunity for us to come together in unity. I see a world that is waking up. A world that is waking up to so many things that has been hidden, but has actually existed for many, many centuries and was done to a race of people, my race of people, and it was hidden. And so therefore, you're seeing it, and you're seeing it all at once. So many people are seeing it all at once, right? So therefore, that in itself is going to bring anxiety, stress, uncertainty. The world is waking up right now. And so we're all in a state of like, what's happening? What's happening? Something you thought was one way and it's actually the opposite. And see it as an opportunity to come together in love and to remember that love is the highest level. Love is the highest level. And when you remember that, you'll remember. Don't let fear win. This is an opportunity for us to come together in love, in unity. See it as a new revolution. When you unveil things that have been hidden, and it starts you waking up, everyone is waking up. Thanks to the technology, we're getting information. And so we the people will come together in unity and in love. That's how it's going to be. That's how it's going to turn out. And what's being unveiled is bringing so much emotion and compassion, empathy, anger, fear, worry. It's a lot. It's also bringing consciousness, awareness, and it's giving us, the people, an opportunity to learn, grow, and come together. And realize that there is a shift in consciousness that's taking place on our planet. Yes, a new revolution. That's how we must see it, a new revolution. And yes, we must stand together. We the people, we must stand together in love, in unity, in oneness. Yes, in love, in unity, in oneness. When things happen in the world, where we're all in shock all at once, and you're just like, okay, what do we do? This is so foreign. It feels foreign. Well, you have to remember, have no fear. This is where you dig deep and you bring out your superpowers, your courage, and we figure it out together as a people. We will. As Dr. Wayne Dyer says, and I love him so much, he's now in the cosmos, bless his soul. There is a spiritual solution to every problem. And we will figure it out. Just remember who you are, that which is love. Yes, the world is waking up. We are becoming more conscious and aware. And out of that brings change. Out of that brings growth. Out of that brings compassion. Out of that brings togetherness, oneness, unity. Having empathy for other countries. Compassion, love. Learning how the world really operates. That in itself is growth. What was once hidden is now becoming unveiled. I love you all. And as bless his soul, he just crossed over. Reverend Jesse Jackson says, keep hope alive. Yes, keep hope alive. And I'll talk more about what he said because he had a very powerful quote. And yeah, I'll be back on to talk about that. Thank you so much. I love you all. Good night.